A very good day, Dr. Aslizan. So, we are from Group 13 and we are going to present the warehouse which we visited, which is Yearly Trading Co. Setiam Berhad. So, let's get started with the presentation.
So before I start my presentation, let me introduce our Group 13 members. So firstly, let me introduce myself. I'm Ganadev Matruviran and my matrix number is A23B1413. And second member, Yashwan Alaki Purushothaman. Third member, Denison Raj Alaki Ilogovan. Fourth member, Siti Aisha binti Muhammad Zamri. And our final member is Zainab binti Hamza. So firstly, let me start with the background information, the warehouse which we visited. It is one of the leading companies in the trade and distribution sector. Is Yearly Trading Co. Sedia Berhad, which is situated at Kawasan Perindustrian, Pengkalan Cepa, Jalan Padang Tembak at Pengkalan Cepa, Kelantan. It is founded in 1968. And to tell about this warehouse, it's a fast-moving consumer goods (FMCG), such as drinks, edible oils, home goods, and personal care items are the company's specialty. Yearly trading services both local and regional markets in a competitive market, guarantee prompt delivery to wholesalers and retailers. It is strategically located in an industrial area. The Kelantan facility is essential for providing services to Malaysia eastern and northern regions. So that's all about the background information. Next, let me present about the current warehouse operation. So first, I will say layout and facility design. For that, it's about the receiving area, pallet rackets, and picking and packing zone, and finally loading docks. Second, operations will be techniques for inventory management and ED trading. First, it's about the ABC analysis, sort stock according to value and significance. Second will be just in time, also known as JIT, lowers holding costs and guarantees less overstocking. And finally, will be the FIFO system gives older inventory and delivery priority in order to preserve product quality. Third, it's about the utilized technologies. Inventories levels, statues, and storage locations are tracked by the warehouse management system. Second will be barcoding and scanning devices. Third, about the conveyor system, which make it easier for items to move across the warehouse. And final operation about key processes. First, inbound logistic. After being received, goods under cargo quality inspection before being tracked in the warehouse management system. Second will be storage. Depending on their size, need and rate of turnover, products are assigned to storage spaces. Third will be order fulfillment. Packing and labeling come after picking, which is done with the use of efficient routing to cut down on trip time. Fourth will be outbound logistics. The company's fleet is used to load, dispatch, and cross-check orders. So I'll say that's all about the current warehouse operation. Thank you.
A good day, Prof. Jang. I'm Yashwan Purushothaman. My matrix number is 823-82023. So now I will be explaining the key challenges of Ely Trading Co. company. There are total 6 challenges. The first key challenge is inefficiencies in warehouse layout. Inefficient warehouse layout at Ely Trading Co. causes delays, increased labor cost, and higher chances of inventory mistakes due to poor organization and lack of strategic item placement. The second key challenge is manual inventory management. Manual inventory management leads to errors in stock records resulting in overstocking, stock outs, and delays. The third key challenge is limited use of technology, such as the absence of warehouse management systems (WMS) hampers real-time inventory tracking, increasing manual errors, reduces productivity, and slows down order fulfillment. The fourth key challenge is higher cost of carrying. Overstocking due to inaccurate demand forecasting leads to higher carrying costs, reduced warehouse space, and increased risk of spoilage. The fifth key challenge is safety and compliance risks. Ely Trading Co. Indian Berhad's warehouse layout poses significant safety risk due to deorganized spaces, narrow pathways, and poor maintenance, increasing the chances of accidents and injuries. And the last key challenge is environmental and sustainability concerns. The warehouse lack of efficient practices, waste management, and sustainable technologies leads to increased operational expenses. That's all from my part. Thank you. The next part will be continued by my friend.
A very good day, doctor. My name is Densaraj, son of Alangwan. My matrix number is A23A1338. And in this part, I will be explaining about the inventory management in Yearly Trading Company. I will be going with my first point, which is the inventory management techniques. Yearly Trading Warehouse enhances inventory accuracy and efficiency using computerized tracking systems and also ABC analysis to prioritize stock by consumption value. They also had been categorized into three, which is the high value A category items receive the most focus, while moderate B category and also low value, which is the C category items, are managed with proportional controls to optimize resources. The company also applies FIFO for perishable to ensure freshness and also prevent obsolescence, while JIT, which is the just in time, minimizes holding costs by sourcing inventory only as needed. This approach supported by robust demand forecasting and supplier collaboration and also reduce waste and avoid stockouts in the warehouse with integrated technologies like warehouse management systems, barcoding, and even cycle counting further helps them in streamline restocking, maintain a great accuracy, and lower storage cost. And I will be going with my second point, which is the effective of inventory management techniques. Yearly Trading Warehouse optimizes inventory management using ABC analysis to prioritize high value products. This approach ensures critical inventory is always available while minimizing overstocking of less essential goods. This warehouse also employs FIFO to maintain product quality and reduce waste, and also enhancing customer satisfaction and lowering expenses. Additionally, just in time JIT inventory management minimizes excess stock and holding cost, and which support them by accurate and demand forecasting. Next, which is the technology integration. In their warehouse, they have technology integration, which really strengthens their company management in the warehouse, which is the use of barcoding systems and warehouse management systems. This helps them by giving inventory accuracy, reduce errors, and enhances decision making. These strategies really boost the inventory turnover, reduce storage costs, and increase operational efficiency, which enables them more responsive and cost-effective business operations so that their warehouse operation goes in a very smooth way and also in a great inventory management. And I will be going with my third point, which is the alignment of inventory management strategies with business goal. Yearly Trading Warehouse actually aligns its inventory management with goals of customer satisfaction, cost reduction, and efficiency by using ABC analysis, FIFO, which is the first in, first out, automation, and also JIT techniques. This approach really enhances accuracy in the warehouse, minimizes waste, and ensures a strong supply chain management, which helps them to drive competitiveness among other warehouses and also with a great sustainable growth. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Aisyah binti Muhammad Zamri. Nombor matrik A23A1554. For today, I will present about key solution and recommendation for improvement operation at Lily Trading. First is inefficient warehouse layout. To address the inefficient warehouse layout, we propose implementing a zoning system for receiving, storing, picking, and shipping activities, with high demand items placed near the dispatch zone to reduce handling time. Supported by color codes label, digital signage, and data-driven slotting optimization for improved product identification and retrieval. Second is manual inventory management. To overcome manual inventory management challenge, we recommend switching to a digital inventory system equipped with barcode scanner, and RFID technology. Training staff to use it effectively, integrating real-time updates to enhance forecasting and decision-making, and conducting regular audit to ensure accuracy and credibility. Third is limited use of technology. To tackle the limited use of technology, we suggest adopting a warehouse management system and IoT sensor to streamline operation, alongside investment in automation such as robotic and conveyor belt to increase scalability and efficiency, ensuring the business meets growing demand effectively. 4 is high cost of carrying. To reduce carrying costs, the company can use AI tools for demand forecasting and adopt just-in-time practice to minimize overstocking. Vertical storage solution can optimize warehouse space and reduce rental needs, while inventory turnover analyze ensure efficient stock management by phasing out slow-moving items. 5 is safety and compliance risk. Warehouse safety can be improved by marking hazard zones, widening pathway, and organizing storage. Regular safety training and equipment maintenance ensure compliance and reduce risk. Aligning practice with local regulations help avoid penalties and maintains a safe workplace. And lastly is environment and sustainability concern. Adopting energy efficient systems such as LED lighting and motion sensor can reduce energy use. Recycling programs and renewable energy investment like a solar panel lower the carbon footprint and so on. Promoting sustainability and obtaining certification like ISO 14001 enhance credibility and align with environmental standards.
Before I'm starting from my part, let me introduce myself. My name is Zainab Binti Hamzah and matrix number A23B1362. For my part is 6.0, which is implementation the plan. First, we go to the steps how to implement the plan from the recommendation part. Okay, first is analyze the current workflow and needs, which is we need to identify the problems or evaluating the inventory or collect the team from the feedback, which is employee. The second point is figure out and select the best technology, which is first we need to choose a best WMS, for example SQL or NetSuite. We need to find which is the suitable technology to use our warehouse. The third is set a professional team. We need to form a cross-functional team such as project manager, IT for integration tasks, or the key warehouse staff for workflows. And the fourth is classify inventory. For this section, we need to categorize the item based on value or movement by for example, by ABC system. A, items which is a high values or high turnover, or we need to store near this page or easily the accessible zone. For the B items is moderate value for turnover and place it by moderately. The C item have a low value and a slow turnover. And the last one is create a comprehensive safety plan. For this section, we need to establish a safety policy and emergency protocols. or include the safety checklist for daily inspection. Next, we go to 6.2, how we resources for the implementation the plan. The first one is financial resources, which is from the government grants and incentive. The second one, human resource. For this section, we need to establish a team member with specific skills, which we need to find the identify individuals with expertise relevant. The third is technology resources. For this section, we need to find the tools and the data analysis and also the machine at the same time to find out the latest. And the fourth is external expertise and services. We need to find a consultant for our company and vendors and contractors at the same time for the certain tasks. And we need to industry network to expand the partnership and collaboration. And the last one is policies and procedure. First, we need to implement the plan. For the detailed document outline steps, make sure its responsibilities and the outcomes become good. And the second one is risk management task, which is we need to make backup plans to deal with any challenges that may come up. And the last is timeline for implement the idea. For this section, this is idea from timeline in a short time that can be conduct or expand depending on the project. For example, I give the table, which is the phase from the week 1 until the week 24, which is for 1 year. As we can see, we have a phase and key activities. For first phase is preparation. The timeline week will be taken from 1 until 2 weeks, which is we find the definition and form the team. The second phase is planning. The planning started from the week 3 until week 6, which is develop a plan, create a budget, and risk analysis. The third phase is comment. The timeline is from the week 7 until week 12. And the key activities is small scale testing and adjustment. And the fifth for the phase is full implementation from the week 13 until to week 20, which is launch and monitor the progress, also training at the same time. And the last phase is monitoring optimization from week 21 until week 24, which is we can evaluate the project and optimize the process.